Now I will click on this plus icon, select any of the model. I will go with the EZ mode. Click on next step and select next. I will put the password of the Wi-Fi and all the devices will start getting added automatically.
Wi-Fi connected. Wait. Wi-Fi connection success. Wi-Fi connection success. Device added successfully. Wi-Fi connected. Device added successfully. Device added successfully. Wi-Fi connection success. Device added successfully.
Now all my devices has been added to this application. I will simply click on done and I will show you all my cameras are back into the list. I never scanned any QR for this method. I didn't go with the Bluetooth mode. I have not made any LAN connection. I just came within the same network. Like my phone and all the cameras should be connected with the same Wi-Fi network. And please make sure one thing, whenever you want to remove the device, you need to be available at your camera location and the phone should be connected to the same Wi-Fi network through which you want to configure the cameras. The cameras will support SSID of 2.4 GHz only, so please make sure your phone is connected